Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is not something to hide anymore. It is something to celebrate. It shows confidence, beauty and natural style. So if you are thinking about changing your look, this video is just for you. Let's get started. First we have the short pixie cut. This haircut is perfect if you want something very easy to manage. It is short, light and give a fresh look to your face. Grey hair in a pixie cut looks very modern and classy. You don't need much styling, just a quick brush and you are ready to go. Next is the layered bob cut. This is one of the most popular hairstyles for women over 50. It adds volume and movement to your hair. If your hair feels thin, layers can make it look fuller. Grey hair with soft layers looks very elegant and soft. Another great idea is a shoulder length cut with soft waves. If you don't like very short hair, this is a perfect option. It keeps your hair at a comfortable length and gives a natural relaxed look. You can add light waves for a more stylish appearance. Grey waves look very graceful and attractive. Now let's talk about the classic straight bob. This is a simple and neat hairstyle. It gives a clean and polished look. If you like a professional and tidy style, this is a great choice. Grey hair is straight. Bob looks very clean and timeless. Next is the feathered haircut. This style adds soft layers around the face. It makes your face look more youthful and bright. Feathered grey hair looks light, soft and very beautiful. It is also easy to maintain. Another lovely option is the curly short haircut. If you have natural curls, don't hide them, embarrass them. Short curly grey hair looks fun, lively and full of personality. Just use a little product to define your curls and you are ready to go. We also have the long grey hairs. Now let's talk about bangs. Adding soft bangs or side bangs can change your whole look. It can look your face look younger and more stylish. Grey hair with bangs looks trendy and fresh. Before we finish, here are few simple tips. Always keep your healthy hair by using a good shampoo and conditioner. Trim your hair regularly to keep the shape neat, and most importantly, choose a style that makes you feel comfortable and confident. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.